Oh my gosh.
Hi, Olivia. What's going on?
Is your motor going crazy?
Cute baby.
And she's got lobster hands.
Hi, baby doll. Beautiful eyes. We love you, Olivia.